Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing on a low budget, and you can get started today for $5. And I'm going to show you how you can turn that $5 into thousands of dollars, but more importantly, get into profit and stay in profit. So Warrior Plus is where these products, where you get paid for the products I'm going to share with you today. And the default is the last 30 days. So I'll just refresh the page so you can show you it's not a screenshot, the last 30 days here. And then we're going to scroll down. And what you'll see here is, I'm still live in my account. You'll see in the right hand column here, I'll just get my pencil out to explain something that's really important. So what you'll see here is in the top right hand corner, this commission column, the commission's $963 for the last 30 days. So what's important here is that I started this with a $5 product. These are all traffic products because traffic is an evergreen niche and everyone needs traffic. And what I did is I built these up to a portfolio of products over time. So it wasn't an overnight success. I got into profit fast, and I just built on that. And now currently, I spend $40 per month on these products. So you'll see I promote with free traffic. So you'll see the profit there is over $900 because it cost me $40 a month, and I use free traffic. Now the key thing here with this system is to get into profit. So if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you don't want to be getting into debt. And if you're on a low budget and you want to start with $5, then I want to teach you how to get into profit and then scale up from there. So 95% of people fail. 95% fail because they don't get into profit quick enough. And then they get disheartened. They don't know what products to promote. They don't know what converts into commissions. They don't know how to get into. So my role, I'm going to mentor you and I'm going to give you the system. I'm going to give you all the tools and resources to get you into profit, and then not just get into profit, but to stay into profit as well. So let's just show you some proof of a bigger picture. Let's go into my all time and just show you here. We're going to go into all time. And while it loads up, so Warrior Plus gives you all the stats and data. It's very good at showing you how you can monitor your progress. So this is my all time, still live in the account. And you'll see that I've earned $9,000 in commissions. I've sold, sales are over 18,000, and I've sold nearly 2,000 products. Now this column here, the product column, the nearly 2,000 products, is really key, because I'm going to show you how you can promote one link and earn multiple income streams. So first of all, these products are traffic products. They're autopilot buyers traffic products, and buyers traffic is the best traffic that you can buy. So if you're looking to promote your offer, perfect for beginners. The key thing is to get any offer you're promoting in front of buyers, because buyers buy over and over again. And then with these products, you can put your traffic on autopilot. So the system I'm teaching you is how to get your traffic for free, and then go to the next level and get into profit. Each of these products has got a multiple income stream with done for you funnels built in. So and some of these include high ticket, which I'm going to show you shortly. I'm also going to show you some proof of how well they're converting, so you can get into profit quicker. And what that does, that gives you a funded traffic proposal. So you're going to be in profit every single month. And then what you can do is, if you want to buy some more traffic to promote your primary business or other offers, then if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, you no longer have to buy traffic from your job income or from your wages or your savings in your bank account. That's because every single month you are in profit. So you can reinvest a percentage of those profits to scale up. I'm going to give you the system that I've personally used. And I've already shown you the proof that it works there. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what's worked for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of these offers, which I am. And also, if you want to join them as an affiliate, promote them as an affiliate and earn some commissions. So let's have a look now. Let's have a look at this one here, how you promote one link and earn multiple income streams. So one of the products is called Click Traffic Cyclone. And when you get your affiliate link, you'll see here, so I'm live in my Gmail account here. This is where I get my notifications of all my new referrals. So I'm highlighting Click Traffic Cyclone. Now, what you'll see here is that the member has joined for $3.46, and then they bought the one-time offer 1, on one-time offer 2, one-time offer 4, and one-time offer 5. So you can earn these multiple income streams by promoting just that one link. And if any of your referral decide they want to buy these products, if it's within their budget, then you will earn the commissions. So each of the products is there to help a member build their business faster. You'll see here they've joined here for $3.46 commission, bought the one-time offer 1. Another member's joined here and bought one-time offer 2. Another one here bought one-time offer 1. Another one there upgraded. Another one there upgraded. They've upgraded to this $30 commission. So this is how you get into profit fast with affiliate marketing. You're promoting one link and you're earning multiple income streams. And the funnel's done for you. You don't have to create anything else. This is one called the Click Generator. This is one of the latest ones by traffic experts John Cornetta and Frank Salinas. So you're going to get your affiliate link when you become a member. All the links will be in the description where you can join, or if you want some more information. And now they've got 17 products in their funnel, and they've even got some high ticket ones where you can earn, if you look in the commission column down the right hand side here, you can earn an $850 commission or a $600 commission or a $225 commission if any of your referrals buy some of these traffic products. These ones here are recurring income. So you've got some recurring income products there built into the system. But I want to show you that it's really key to your success to be able to promote one link and earn multiple income streams. Now, you don't even have to buy these products yourself. You don't have to buy 10,000 top tier clicks to earn this $850 one time. And that's really great because generally in the industry, a lot of product owners and creators, they want you to buy the products before they give you an affiliate link. Let me show you the monthly recurring commissions. It's really key. I want to show you how you get a high retention. All of these here just came in one day. You'll see the dates here, 25th, 25th, 25th. All of these came in yesterday. Now, when I scroll further down, you'll see some circular arrows. Now, these circular arrows, you'll see there, recurring payment number 10. So what happens is a lot of the members are also affiliates like myself. So you can start to build a membership database of subscription paying members every single month. And then what happens is you can build this up over time, and then your recurring income builds. These are new ones coming in. Your recurring income starts to build. So this member's been paying 15 months in a row, 18 months in a row, So you'll see, even though you've got new ones coming in all the time, you follow the system, but you've got some long-term, 13 months in a row, 11 months, 9 months, 19 months in a row. So the members are very happy. I'm a very happy member. I'm getting autopilot buyers traffic. I'm an affiliate into profit. And then once you start to refer those type of affiliates, then you can start to really build a long-term, sustainable and profitable income in an evergreen niche. Let me just show you, I'm going to give you the tools and resources now that I personally use. So this is an example of how well this converts. So the tools I'm going to give you, you'll see here that I've referred 120 Click Engine members. The owner, Jeff Amon, gives you a bonus for every 10. It gives you $25 for every 10 referrals. So it's this is how I started with the Click Engine. So I want to show you some proof that these funnels I'm going to give you now actually work. I'm going to give you this lead capture page. I put the video on here, so you don't have to create any videos or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to clone this funnel in a few simple steps. So I'll give you the lead capture page here. Then when your prospects opt into, you promote this lead capture page, your prospects put their email into there. They get taken to the next page, which shows all the proof on here. I update the proof videos for you. And then they will join the Click Engine here through your affiliate link. And they can also join Leads Leap through your affiliate link. I'll show you some proof of commissions there shortly. And all you do to create this funnel, it's really, really simple. So if you want to set up this multiple income stream funnel, you just copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap. It's really beginner friendly. It's really simple to do. I've even done the tutorials here that will teach you step by step how to set up the lead capture page, the welcome page, and I even give you the email follow-ups that I've written personally for you. I haven't used AI or Chat GPT. I've just written these personally to help you boost your commissions and send out emails on autopilot. So if you're very busy like me with a full-time job, you can start to automate your business. You'll see Leads Leap here converts well. I've earned over $1,000 in commissions. So when your referrals join Leads Leap through your affiliate link in here, this one here, then you can start to earn monthly recurring commissions as well. So everything there, that's the funnel for you. Now the system itself is on this page here. So what I've just shown you there is the funnel, and now I'm going to give you the actual system that I've personally used. So I've called it how to get your buyer traffic for free, but you can see from today it's a lot more than that. It's how to get into profit. It's how to put your offer or offers in front of thousands of existing buyers on autopilot, but also thousands of new buyers that are joining and coming online every single month. So I'm going to pin this page here. This is the video that explains the system step by step. It's perfect for beginners. If you're brand new, you haven't made any money online yet, or you're struggling to earn consistent commissions, then this is a great system for you to start even as a beginner. And I will help you one-to-one. I'll put my email address in the description if you want some help as well. So this page here with the video on, I'm going to pin it to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And these are the 5 autopilot buyer traffic offers. 90% of the commissions I've shown you today are through this portfolio of products here. So if you want to follow the system, then just watch the video and it will teach you how to do that step by step. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. I'm running out of time, so I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching this video today. And See you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.